Hi everyone, meteorologist Ed Valley here, Northeast video update for you. And taking a look at the Northeast, obviously the satellite has revealed a lovely, lovely Monday. It's chilly out there, but we're dry. And you can see the snow cover, mostly inland. You see that? Not much along the coast. That's where the rain was over the weekend or Friday. And moving forward, we got some snow in the forecast inland, not so much along the coast. So let's kind of go through this. We got two fast-moving storms. One coming in here Tuesday night or Tuesday afternoon, another one Wednesday night into Thursday. Okay, so tonight, no issues. Tomorrow morning, though, mid to late morning, some snow showers along the international border, give or take 100 miles either way. You see that? And through the day, those will press southward, but we're going to notice that temperatures at this time, they're going to be pretty warm. 40s south, 30s for most, right? So as this stuff comes in, A, it's very light, and B, frankly, those temperatures are pretty darn marginal, right? Here's a look at temperatures around 9 p.m. They might actually rise a little bit ahead of this thing, and you're going to notice temperatures near 40. Boston, Groton, New York, Philly, not much snow with that type of setup. But you notice inland, late Tuesday afternoon, Tuesday evening, could see a period of precipitation in the form of snow. And you see the amounts here. It's a trace to a quarter of an inch, maybe locally a half. You'll look at that in terms of snowfall. Here you go. It's a coating to an inch or two central, 1 to 4, maybe 5, 6 inches far north. Not a big system, but some accumulating snow in the mountains of Vermont, New Hampshire, Maine, and New York. Now, that's just system number one. That'll get out of here in time for a dry Wednesday. But notice late in the day Wednesday, our next system is approaching from the north. What does this entail? Well, Wednesday evening, snow showers break out inland. But I want to show you something. All of these models are valid at 1 a.m. on Thursday. GFS is weaker. But look at the Euro. Much more formidable with this storm. And then the Canadians also pretty formidable. So overnight, Wednesday, we're going to see a period of snow across the interior. You see the Euro does that as well. It's mainly along and north of I-90. And by Thursday morning, it's ending back west. And only a few rain or snow showers are lingering for the morning on Thursday. However, you look at the total precip with this system, it's actually something. It's anywhere from 1 to 3/10 along and north of I-90. You look at the Canadian model here, 1 to 3/10. Now, the GFS, as I noted, is a lot weaker. You see that? It's much, much, much weaker. And that would only yield a trace to 2/10 of precip. So I think the Euro is a good middle ground for now. And you look at the snowfall with this, it could be a coating to an inch or two along I-90, 1 to 3, maybe locally 2 to 4 inches, parts of Vermont. So, this does have at least some legs. It has some precipitation with it. So we are going to be dealing with two systems this week. Just one more time for you. First one comes Tuesday afternoon and Tuesday evening, mostly far north. And then the second one does bring snow maybe about 100 miles further south. Still rain south of I-90. But you notice Thursday we dry it out, and then Friday is a dry day. Saturday we may have a few rain or snow showers, not a huge deal, and then a bigger warm-up possible Sunday into early next week. And as we look at those temperatures, obviously today is cold. Tomorrow we warm it up ahead of that clipper. Same thing Wednesday, but much colder Thursday, especially north as that clipper moves through. Friday is cold for everybody. Saturday we slowly warm it up, and then look at Sunday. 40s in New England, 50s and 60s in the mid-Atlantic. And we're going to keep that going early next week before another cool down. Now, we look at the long range here. I want to just point your attention to these temperatures. This week, it's warmer down south. Remember, I said it's going to be in the 60s down in the mid-Atlantic later in the week. But it's cold in New England. But look at what happens in the week 2 time frame. We're going to warm this pattern up, okay? So I fully anticipate basically starting late this weekend into the following week, it is going to warm up. So just keep that in mind for any sort of decision making with respect to snow and winter, okay? So that's what we're looking like here into the middle of March. If you have questions, let us know. We will be back tomorrow with more information on these two quick moving systems this week.